Sino po, Mr. President?
Hindi ko na kung sinong kahiro doon.
Kasi may sinasabi po si Gerald Baton na tao na magdi-disperse ng pera from the office of the President. Sino po yun, Mr. President?
Hindi ko na alam talaga kung pagka ganung police operations, actually it's an official it's not a hidden item there. Kunin mo doon sa kahira sa baba na kay police operation
Mr. President,
lahat naman yan police operation. It cannot be funded by it cannot be a police operation cannot be funded by private money. That is not allowed by law.
pero during the time that you were, during one of your interview, Mr. President, I still remember that you have mentioned that yung pong pera